So this unit is really good at reviewing our quadratic functions unit where you had to graph parabolas. You have to know that for your exam. So now, what do we have to do? First, we're first going to graph the bottom, which is in factored form. The nice thing about factored form is factored form tells you your x-intercepts really quickly. Okay? So I might take this and I would say, I know that there's an x-intercept at 1, and there's an x-intercept at -1. You might want to multiply this one out. Can you see that if you multiply this out, this is a difference of squares would give you x squared minus 1. And if you distributed your negative, you'd get negative x squared plus 1, which is a parabola that opens down. And with that plus 1, you also see that your vertex is at 0, 1. Over 1, down 1, over 1, down 3. There's the graph. This would be the graph of y equals negative x minus 1 bracket, x plus 1 bracket. Now when we go to graph the reciprocal, wherever you have x-intercepts, you're going to have asymptotes. And you always have an asymptote at y equals 0. And we can look at some points. So for example, 0, 1, when you change that, you get 0, 1 over 1. And that's enough for that section to draw that. It can't go through the x-axis because reciprocal graphs never have x-intercepts. So if it's going to go towards the asymptotes, it has to go up. Also, we talked about when you have a maximum in a section, it always becomes a minimum on the reciprocal graph. I don't know, is it going to be Batman or sad face? Looks like Batman. Anyways, here we go. We've got -2, -3. So you're going to have -2, 1 over -3. And that's enough to draw this section. And we have the point 2, -3. So we'll have the point 2, 1 over -3. And that's enough for this section. And Batman. We do have the Batman there. So with this, you can try question 7, 8, and 11C.